state-of-the-art sewing machine technology, the Brother XL2030. The Brother XL2030 is an easy-to-use sewing machine which can sew utility stitches, buttonhole, and various decorative stitches. To make sure you get the most from the machine, carefully review all information in your operation manual. By using this videotape together with your manual, you will find that you'll be able to create quality garments faster and easier than you ever dreamed possible. Let us begin by identifying the various parts of your XL2030. Horizontal spool pin, bobbin winder device, stitch length dial, thread guide, thread take-up lever, sew light switch, upper thread tension dial, button presser foot holder screw, zigzag presser foot, needles, needle clamp screw, thread cutter, presser foot lever, LCD display, reverse sewing button, balance wheel, clutch release knob, pattern selector, 3-prong socket, extension tape, bobbin case, shuttle hook. Your XL2030 also comes with the following accessories: straight stitch foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, zipper foot, close guide with screw, needle pack, 3 number 14 single needles and 1 twin needle. 3 bobbins, darning plate, seam ripper. Extra spool pin, small and large spool holders. Small and large screwdrivers. Oiler. Foot controller. Before you begin using your XL2030, take the combination power cord and foot controller. Plug the 3-prong end into your machine and the other end into the power outlet on your wall. As with all sewing machines, you regulate the sewing speed by depressing the foot controller. The further you depress, the faster the sewing. There is a pre-threaded bobbin in the machine for your initial convenience. To thread the additional bobbins, we recommend the following procedure. To line the bobbin, put thread spool on the horizontal spool pin and press the spool holder firmly against the spool. Pass the thread through the thread guide. Pass the thread through a small thread end, depress the foot controller to wind the thread. The machine stops automatically when the bobbin is full. Push the button and remove it. After you have finished, be sure to tighten the clutch release knob firmly. Turn down the wheel towards you to raise the needle to its highest position. Slide out the extension table and open the shuttle cover. Hold the bobbin case latch and pull the bobbin case towards you. Insert the wound bobbin into the bobbin case. Then, pull the thread to the left under the tension spring until it enters the delivery eye and leave approximately 4 inches of thread outside the bobbin case. Make sure the needle is still in its highest position. Then, hold the bobbin case latch with bobbin finger pointing up and insert the case into the shuttle race.